let's take a look at how to create a simple table in Blender. This is a beginner-friendly exercise, and as you'll see, Blender makes the process surprisingly easy. So let's go step by step and build it together. When you open a new project in Blender, you'll see the default cube. We'll use this as the starting point for our tabletop. First, adjust the dimensions of the cube, its length, width, and height to match the proportions of a table surface. You can either scale it manually or enter exact values for more precision. Next, let's create the table legs. Go to the Add menu, select Mesh and choose Cube. This will add a new cube to the scene. Resize this cube to form a single table leg by adjusting its dimensions accordingly. Once the shape looks right, move the leg into position under one corner of the tabletop. Now that we have one leg, we can duplicate it to save time. Press Shift+D to duplicate the object, then press Enter to confirm. Move the duplicated leg to the opposite side of the table. Great! Now select both legs and duplicate them again using the same method. Position these new legs on the remaining corners. And just like that, you've created a complete table. To navigate around a scene, use your mouse controls to adjust the view and explore the environment. Now our table is complete. To enhance the visual presentation, let's add a floor to the scene. Go to the Add menu, select Mesh and choose a plane. This will create a flat surface beneath the table. Finally, scale the plane to extend across the scene and form a proper floor. As you can see, Blender is a powerful yet easy-to-use tool, even for simple projects like this. Let's continue learning and exploring more in the next lesson. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more tutorials.